Okay, dear students, we are going to see that one, the worth of whom? The workers. If we are to understand the event leading to the Bhopal disaster, we have to ask, why did Union Carbide set up its plant in India? And from where they came? They came from America, and they started company here. Why they done that one here in India? The question usually it is coming in our mind. What it is? Why they started to setting up their plant here in India? One reason why foreign companies came to India is for cheaper labor. The first reason what it is, they are getting the cheaper labor. They want to give very less salary to the Indians. That's why they came here and started their company here. Still, if this is not the case of in 1980s or 1970s, still they are coming here, they are starting here. Why? Only one reason, because of the cheap labor. If you are thinking about IT section or any other sections, we can see that one, they are getting the cheaper labor, so they are coming here and starting their plant. And in geography we studied studied about the industry lesson, the factors it is influencing the location. In that, one of the point what we studied, that is the cheaper labor. The labor cost should be very less, like that we studied in geography also. So you want to read this part and that part together. What are the factors it is affecting this location of the factory? So the foreign companies, they are coming here in India because of the cheap labor. This point again you will study in 10th standard economics, about when we are going to study MNC, multinational companies, why they are coming and settling here, or they are starting their companies. That time again we want to study what it is, the cheaper labor, like that things. The foreign companies, multinational companies, they came here and they started their factories here, or still they are coming and starting. So we are going to study this same point in 10th standard also. Then wages that the companies pay to workers, say in USA, are far higher than what they have to pay to the workers in the poor countries like India. So some of the example, if you are looking, if your cousin somebody is working in Canada or America or England or any one of the European country, they are getting as a nurse or a doctor or a teacher, they are getting more than 2 lakhs of when we are converting that money to Indian rupees, they are getting minimum 2 lakh per month. The same time, if they are coming here and they are conducting the if it is factory or doctor, anybody, and if they are taking the Indian coming to India and starting something here, they want to pay only 20,000 25,000 to the Indian workers. And that's why what they are doing, they are coming here and starting the factories. We can see this Motorola, like that many companies, they are having their units here in India. All the works they are doing here, and they are okay, quality they are having, like the different qualities what they need in European countries and American countries, that is different, and here it is different, like that situations are there. Still they are thinking about the wages. So the poor countries, we are ready to work with very low wage, that's why they are coming here. For lower pay, the companies can get longer hours of work, additional expenses such as for housing facilities for workers also fewer. Thus companies can save cost and earn higher profit. If you are thinking like that, not only the wage of the worker, the housing facility what they are giving to the worker, and the working hours, how much they are working for the company, like that things entirely different here in the poor countries. So we are ready to work overtime also in every sector. If you are looking in the hospital sector or any sector, we are ready to work overtime, and if you are getting payment or not getting payment, we are ready to work here India. At the same time, we are not thinking about the good housing facilities. If you are going to the some companies, those who are working as a daily wager near to the company, they are getting single room accommodation, and in that itself they want to cook. They are only they want to sleep, and the common toilets, maybe 20-25 toilets will be there for 300-400 people. That is the condition in many factories. So if it is Indian factory also or multinational company also, same condition. So because of that one, company can earn maximum profit by saving their cost. That's why multinational companies, they are coming here and starting their factory. Like their one of the factory came here and started, that is Union Carbide. Okay, we are moving to the next paragraph. Cost cutting can also be done by other more dangerous means. So what this we discussed in the first paragraph, it is not dangerous to the people, means not that much hazardous situation. The housing facility, if it is single room also, if it is neat and clean and it is proper maintenance, like that things it is there, it's okay. But some other dangerous situation we are going to see. Lower working condition, including lower safety measures. If you are going to some of the company to cut short the cost, what they are doing, they won't give proper safety measures like helmet and other things to the workers. They are working with all the dangerous situations there. In the UC plant, every safety device was malfunctioning or was in short supply. So in this Union Carbide company, what the safety devices what they was using, that was not working properly, malfunctioning, not working properly. And as the same time, the distribution, that also in the short of supply, it was not available to all the workers. Between 1980 and 84, the work crew of the MIC plant was cut in half from 12 to 6 workers. So in the company they want to work by 12 people, but what they done, they cut 6 members, and they given the overwork to the remaining 6 workers. For what purpose? To make maximum profit they done. The period of the safety training of the workers was brought down from 6 months to 15 days. The initial, when they are coming for first time joining in the company, what they should get the proper training, how they should take care about their own safety. That it was the course of 6 months. Then that also company cut down to 15 days. The post of night shift worker for the MIC plant was abolished. So there was no night shift worker for this safety in the MIC plant. That also they taken away. Read the following comparison between UC safety system in Bhopal and its other plants in USA. So we are going to see that one, a comparison between two. One in USA, they are having the same company, same group of people, they are having company in USA. How they taken care about the safety and other things, how they neglected here in Bhopal, that we are going to see. At West Virginia, USA, computerized warning and monitoring system were in place, whereas the UC plant in Bhopal relied on manual gauges and human sense to detect gas leaking. In America, they used the computerized system to monitor as well as giving the warning to the people. And in India, they used manual thing, and people want to dictate or they want to sense, means our sense organs should be more sharper to understand gas leaking. At the West Virginia plant, emergency evacuation plans were in place, but existent in Bhopal. In Virginia, they made the emergency plan, means evacuation, making the people to move away from that area very faster. In bus and a train, we can see emergency exit like that facility they arranged were in American plan, but in Indian plan not at all. Why are there such sharp difference in safety standards across countries? And even after the disaster happened, why was the compensation to the victim so low? If it is happened in America, they want to give maybe for one person, single person, they want to give millions and millions, and like that 5,000 people, 8,000 people died within 3 days, and near about 50,000 people they are means directly or indirectly they become sick. And think about their family. If the single any member of the house, that is the father, died, then what about the other family members condition? How they will earn, from where they will earn, and how they will think? According to that, in American case, we'll go here, we asked for 3 billion and they given only 470 million rupees, means US dollar only. So we want to understand why companies come. Okay, let them come and start their companies. We are ready to work, no compromising that. We should not allow the companies to compromise with the safety measures or the wage or the housing protection or the working hours, as well as the working condition, that also should be safe, and they should supply what safety maybe cloth or helmet, like that things should be provided to the workers for without making like that any delay. And even now we can see our government, not only this multinational companies, in this pandemic situation, those who are working in the government hospitals, even the private hospitals who was ready to take care about this corona patients, the each and every state governments or the central government was ready to provide the safety measures or not. Many states are in the national, in central, from the central level also, they neglected the life and safety of the people, frontline workers like nurses, doctors, police, their life, without giving proper safety things to them and without proper holidays to them. Continuously 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or for 2 months, they some of the people, they are working in front line, directly coming to the contact with this corona patient. That was the condition. So not only multinational companies, even we should not keep quiet. We should raise our voice to protest against all these things. This is the one of the skill what we want to learn. Wherever there is injustice or the problems we are facing, there we should open our mouth and we want to communicate that one, maybe in the form of writing memorandum or in the form of rallies or making awareness to the people. Like that we can make the government to be aware about what all things we are facing, how we are suffering with this particular situation, like that. Okay, we will continue in next video.